Uh, Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, I am fine. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you. So we are meeting first time. Could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I am Pinky from West Bengal and I have done my graduation in Geography Honors. Simultaneously, I also completed 1 year computer course and now I recently I started competitive exam preparation, mainly state civil service and UPSC both. And simultaneously, I'm running my YouTube channel about spoken English. That's all about me.
Okay, okay. Now it's my turn. As you know, my name is Anil Kumar Ram. Yeah, yeah, you say something.
I saying, tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm going to tell you that I am Anil Kumar Ram and I am basically from Kolkata, but in the month of Feb, I also moved to Himachal Pradesh. I am permanently shifted here. As a profession, I'm a martial artist. I'm giving karate lesson in a school, and I have a 20-year experience of teaching karate. I completed my graduation from long distance, and also I have started my spoken English journey 6 March 2024. So that's all.
Nice to hear you. So, sir, why you learn this language? And okay,
Actually, okay. So, when I was in Kolkata, so 2008, I met with one student. He is like a 3 year old, and suddenly came to me and asked me everything in English, and he started talking with me in English. So first time I met with any child who is very good in English. So I just call my sir and sir ask them that sir, the students are speaking in English and my English is very like a zero. So he said that don't worry, Anil, because this is India, so you can speak with them in English or Bengali. So I start talking with in Bengali. The boys is speaking with me in English. So I little bit understand the explanation, thoughts, and everything. What is their question? So like that. From there, I joined a lots of institute like 4 5 times. I joined institute, but then I leave that dream and again last 6 months ago, I met with the same problem. Like one South Indian person call me, two person call me that they want to join my federation, and but they are speak in English, and my English is zero. So I just cut the call, go to the chat box, and talk with them in WhatsApp chat. So from there, I joined Clappingo and English Harry. Now I regularly talk with someone. So that is the main reason to enhance my English. Yeah.
okay, amazing. And yeah, nowadays English also very mandatory because English is global language. We are know. And
Yeah.
I am also started 6 months ago, and I just start with myself. I learning. I don't join any other coaching center or anywhere. I just learn with me. Recorded my videos. I also did mirror practice. Like this way, I learn in English.
Your
And
audio is stuck.
now all right.
Now is okay. Now is yeah.
And then this year, April month from, I started my YouTube channel, improving my English, and I try to helping others. So this reason. Okay, I saying how you do practice, enhance your vocabulary part and grammar part also.
Yeah, like in grammar part, from like when I started my journey, at that moment, every teacher and in everywhere, everyone said to me that Anil, first you build your confidence and try to speak with any person. So I did like that, and from last month, one of my Clappingo teacher who focus on my grammar part only. So that's why I also focusing. Sometimes I also mix up with the present and past. So I try to focus on that parts, or past tense, and the teacher gave me some suggestion, and he'll try to focusing on your articles. Like sometimes you mix up with all these things. So I try to do that.
Okay, and vocabulary part, like how you enhance your vocabulary part.
Yeah, in vocabularies, last week, ma'am gave me some paragraph, a story paragraph, and there is a like a 4 5 vocabularies. I know that words, but I forget that word while talking. But uh, when the ma'am is teaching me that Anil, what is the meaning this word, and please try to make sentences. So like that, I memorize that things, and again, ma'am gave me one things like Anil, try to read any story 10 to 15 times, and try to learn like those words you are not familiar to those words. Try to search on Google, and mm, uh, on while storytelling, like man gave me some task that Anil, first read the book, try to record your video, and use that words those are not familiar to you. So I try to do that. So from last week I got a lots of words on my mind. So thanks you, man. Yeah. And what about you, ma'am? How to improve your vocabularies part?
Yeah, I try to improving my vocabulary. Like I read newspaper, Hindu newspaper. I mainly follow. So everyday basis, I try to read editorial part, and there are many new word I find, and I try to Google it, what is meaning, like many unknown word, and like this way I try to new word form making example like sentence. I try to make sentence, and this way like when I conversation any other co-learner and anyone, I try to use this word.
Yes, yes, yes. I also follow that. That is, yeah.
So sir, another thing, because nowadays many people have they want to start their speaking journey in English, but grammar part, but grammar also sorry. So they are also face first issue is grammar part, because they many people have they are don't interested learn grammar.
Yes,
They are thinking like I am also, because I am when I started I don't do start from grammar part. I started from listening form. Like first of all I more focus I listening in English conversation videos, English news, everything, and then I started speaking,
yes,
and gradually I able to speak in English. And
yeah.
nowadays I try to focus my grammar part also, because it is also a very essential part improving
Yes,
our English. So sir, anything you asked me, like any question have? Again you started and like
yeah. You say something about the like. Yeah, I am saying something. In my opinion, when I start my journey, at that moment I couldn't speak any word. But in my opinion, uh, everyone if wants to speak any language, I learned Bengali. But uh, in like when I was at class 7 or 8, at that moment uh, I read some Bengali books, and also at that moment the teachers teach us about Bengali from all these things. After that I forget all these things. But when I need this language, I just talk with my students' parents, and then gradually I improve my Bengali, and now I can speak with anyone in Bengali. So like that, if anyone wants to learn anything, so definitely they have to talk with the people, and then gradually they definitely they also understand the words and the meanings, and you told me the grammar parts. Like I also while practicing with a co-learner, I know lots of things, which time I have to use in am is or are, like that. And but if you want to become a good in English, then you have to focus on grammar only. Uh, Grammar also. Yeah.
Okay. So, sir, what is which stage you prefer yourself, like intermediate or advanced in English?
I don't know. Actually, I'm always saying that I'm a beginner. I'm just a learner. I'm trying to learn. When I connect with students or co-learner, and like if I'm talking, if I'm connecting with a person 4 5 times and continuously talking with a 2 hours 3 hours, at that moment I feel that uh, I have a lots of confidence. But when I had a time like last week, I had a lots of work, so I didn't join any session, but just I took one session in Skype and also in Clappingo and English Harry. Apart from this, I didn't join anywhere. So at that moment, I feel underconfident. So I feel when I talk with anyone, I feel a very high level. For like, but when I couldn't speak anyone that time, I feel underconfident. But I don't know about my level. If you are, you can say to me that I am a which level or not.
No, sir, because I am also, I prefer myself beginner because I am also learning this language.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mind have, when I become fluent in English speaker simultaneously, I also started teach others.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
But not now.
Like when anyone asks me anything like a random topic like this, if anyone asks me about English or my daily routine, my work, about my jobs, so at that moment I am very comfortable to talk with them. But when anyone gave me any topic at that moment, my tongue is tight. I couldn't speak any word. So that's why I'm asking you to give me any topic so I can prepare myself. So I came here and I learned something new. But you said the English, so I also said okay, the English is also important. So that's why I'm also ready.
I,
Yeah,
because it is our first conversation. So this reason
yeah,
I decided, first of all, I try to know about your English journey and everything. Then
yeah.
yes, another day when we are talking to each other again. So any topic we definitely we can discuss.
Definitely, definitely, definitely.
Because
So,
I
like,
also
what do you? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You say something. Yeah, continue.
I saying like uh, yeah, any topic we discuss other people also, because like education and health,
Yeah.
environment, many issues related, I talk to them. But
Yeah.
when we are talking first time, so this reason I just any topic I don't fix.
Okay, okay, no problem. No problem. So, like, what do you do for improving your English, and what did you do in the past for improving your English? And apart from this app, do you use any other app or any other things?
Yes, other apps, you can say like I have a two another group, like in my
Okay.
WhatsApp group, only female there, so only female group. And yeah, there are also many female have, they are also conversation each other daily basis. And this way also I try to connect them, I try to conversation with them, like this way I doing.
Yeah, ma'am, you say something like about you have a WhatsApp group. After that, the video is stuck. Could you repeat again?
Yeah, sure. I saying I have a two WhatsApp group also. They are only female allowed, and I try to
Okay.
connect them and conversation with them. Like they are also beginner, intermediate level, and like everyone connect to each other, and like this way I doing that. And
Okay.
apart from,
Okay.
I also I love reading books, like story books, and because I'm preparing for competitive exam, especially state civil service. So there are many subjects have. Everything is English. I read, and I love also story book. I also read many times self-help book. This thing I
Okay.
do.
Yeah. Yeah, stories. Storybook is a very important for me. Like when I joined first day, I took a session with one person. He's from Arunachal Pradesh. The teacher suggested me, Anil, if you purchase the book, then I'll suggest you one book. So I asked him, sir, please tell me which book I have to purchase. So he suggests me one story book, and who suggests me that Anil, two things you regularly try to do that. Like one is the story reading, and another is the shadowing practice. So I practicing like approximately 1 month continuously. I did that, and then I joined CV and Joe's Talk, and there is I got a lots of people who are interested to talk with me. So that app gave me a lots of help to me. Yeah,
Yeah, it is also very helpful. And like when you start reading anything, it is also very helpful. Like how one sentence structure you can easily understand.
yeah, yeah. Yes, yes,
It is the
yes.
structured way. You can see improving our English.
Yeah, and while reading, there are also lots of words. Those are not familiar to us, and we are not uh, uh, habituated to use that word even.
Mhm.
So from there, we can learn some words, new phrases, new we can say the word is I forget that live it, live it. So I we can learn from there. Yeah.
Yes, and it is also very helpful reading part. And sir, do you started also? Do you practice writing also?
Yeah,
Because writing also is
yes.
important.
Uh, yeah, one of my teachers suggested me, Anil, write something your like in your past day. Like if you did anything in past day, so you try to write always in the evening. But some days when I have a time, so at that moment I try to write something. But otherwise, most of the time I try to speak someone. Uh, I don't prefer writing, but I know very well that writing part is very important for me. So definitely I do that also.
So definitely it is very important and essential part. But
Yeah.
many people also suggest me writing is one of the most you can say because before writing you first thinking like whatever you write. So it is
Yeah.
also very effective way. Your brain also like adapt in English. Don't like fear feel or hesitation feel. So this
Yes.
reason I just saying.
Yeah. Yeah, while writing, sometimes I wrote something wrong things. Suddenly, when I read same sentence, I analyze that word, that line is wrong. So again, I correct it on that. Somewhere I miss the preposition, somewhere I miss the articles. So like that, writing part is very important for improving
Right.
your grammar part. Yes.
So sir, thank you very much. Like anything you can ask me, any question have.
I think about English, everyone have a same question and same answer. So uh, next day you give me some any topic, so I can also try to prepare on that. So that is very yeah.
Thank you very much, sir. Nice to
Thank
talk with you. And okay, thank you.
thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.